today's episode, I'm going to be going over some awesome Amazon finds. Nothing is sponsored. Most of the items are less than 20 bucks. There's a few that are a little bit more than that. And hopefully they will make your life more amazing or easier or just improved in some way. So let's get started with our first product, which is a surround sound light bulb. Have you ever heard of these? If you have, you know just how cool they are. They operate by Bluetooth and you can just screw them into any light socket, from the ceiling to a lamp. I have mine screwed into my ceiling and it's been there for a few years and it's amazing. So how you work this light bulb is after you've got it screwed into where you want, and mine's on my ceiling, which provides a nice surround sound setup. You just want to make sure it's connected to your Bluetooth on your device, and then you make sure it's turned on, of course, and then you go into your music and push play. It's pretty amazing. I'll pause that for a second. Anyways, I really love these light bulbs. I've had mine for a few years. It still lights up. It hasn't gone out. It still works fantastic. It's a really cool product. The other cool thing with mine is you can actually change the color of the light bulb if you want to give it a little bit more ambiance. You just take the remote control and hit what color you want. You've got red, green, you've got all of these options. You can also put on strobe if you wanted to have like a party and get wild. And there's just a lot of options with the remotes that come with these. Now, pricing on Amazon can vary, so I'm going to kind of give you a ballpark figure of where it was at when I purchased it, and then of course I'll have links below where you can get the most current pricing. I will try to find the best pricing I possibly can. I spent $15 on the light bulb and I think it was worth every penny. It's much cheaper than wiring for surround sound, don't you think? And it's just a really cool product and I hope you enjoy it as well. So my next cool product you may have seen me use on this channel before when lighting a candle, and it's this rechargeable lighter. It's so cool. Now I've had this for 5 months. I've only charged it one time at the very beginning and the charge has lasted me that long. Isn't that really cool? All you do is slide the button like so, push this, and it gives a charge which will light your candle. Now warning, my sons have very sensitive ears and my husband as well. They say that it's high pitched and it bothers them. It doesn't bother me at all. I've asked a lot of other people as well and it doesn't bother them. So depending on how sensitive your ears are, I just want to give you a heads up on that. But it is so cool. The lighter was around $8.50, which is a little bit more than you'd pay on one that you'd purchase in a store that has the fuel. But if you think about how many of those you have to have, this is a really good buy because all you need to do is continually recharge it as needed. Again, 5 months, still not needing a charge. So it's a really cool product. My next product is this Bissell SteamShot. The reason I really checked this out was because several months ago I did a home hack episode where I talked about using toilet bowl cleaner to clean your grout lines, and that was kind of controversial. I think it works great, and of course I thoroughly clean my floors after using that product, but a lot of people are like, that is so full of toxins, and so I wanted to offer you a different option, and that is this. And so what's really cool is it has all these different attachments that you can attach to it. There we go. And then you can clean your grout lines with this. This has some really stiff bristle brushes and you combine it with a steam and it cleans the grout lines. I still like my toilet bowl method. It works really good for me. It didn't work for everybody. And this is a safe, non-toxic way to do it because it uses steam. So this is what it looks like untreated. And this is what it looks like after using the SteamShot. You can tell it's a huge improvement. This is a good opportunity for you to reseal your grout. And clearly I have a little bit more to do, but it works great and I love it. And then it also comes with a whole bunch of other attachments, including like a scraping tool and some and some other brushes. So you've got a lot of options there, and cleaning with steam is a great option. That's how I mop my floors. I love Bissell products. This is not sponsored by them. None of these items are sponsored. These are just my opinions. So the Bissell SteamShot is the most expensive thing on my list today, and it comes in at around $35, $36. So this Bissell SteamShot works so good on cleaning your grout. It's safe, non-toxic, and it was suggested to me by several of you. And so thank you for the heads up on that. It was totally amazing. Safe, non-toxic way to clean your grout. You can use this in a lot of different areas, but I definitely will be using it on my grout in my shower, on my floor, and I love it. It's a great, great product. So for this next one, I just kind of wanted to come in here and demonstrate, because I don't know if you can relate, but a lot of times I'll come into the kitchen, the chip bag will be open just like this. And even still, like if you like try to roll it up, set it a lot of times unrolls, and then you have stale chips. So I found this a really cool product. It's a mini bag sealer. All we need to do to use it is pull back this cover and expose this white thing right here. And then we put it in here and we run from one side to the other slowly, and see if it did the trick. Yep, it's resealed. See? No chips falling out, and it will keep it. How much did we trust that? It did good. And now our chips will stay fresh, and you can use it on a whole bunch of different bag types and reseal your items to keep things fresh. I think that I got this in a 2-pack for around $14. So it came with 2 of them. So you could get one for yourself, get one to a friend, and then it runs off of 2 AA batteries. A really awesome product for you on that. So for my next product, lo and behold, you know, of course I'm shooting it and I can't find it anywhere. So I'm just gonna have to talk about it. It's the fabric shaver that I use to get all of the balls of lint off of my couch to make it look brand new. It just shaves them all off and gets things looking really great. You can use it on your clothes. You can use it on so many items, anything that is balling up to get it looking fresh and new again. All you have to do is use this, and I think it's about $15 at this time for this, and it's so handy to have around. So my next product is a battery storage container, and I know that seems weird, but I had this bin for the longest time that I toss all the batteries in, and somehow the old ones would get mixed in, and it was just an absolute cluttered mess. And so then I saw this product and I thought it was so cool because you can actually store quite a lot of batteries in here and a lot of different varying sizes and get it really nice and organized. But also what's really cool is it has this battery tester that you can take out and test to see if a battery is good or not. And so you just put it in like so, close it and touch it, and we can see that this is still good, which is awesome because I had so many batteries around. The only way to test them before was to like stick it in the remote and see if it worked or not, and then you didn't know if it was that battery or the other battery that was bad. And so that will save you a ton of headache and money on batteries, and then it keeps it nice and organized. And I just keep this in the drawer behind me, and everybody knows where the batteries are, and it's been such a cool thing. And it runs for about $16.99 as of recording this. It's great. I love it, and I love it being a lot more organized. When I saw this next product, I'm like, no way does that work really good, but I wanted to give it a try. It had good reviews, and so I thought, what the heck? And it's this little mini personal fan, and It actually works really good. And I use this when I'm like doing my makeup, but I think it will come in handy in the summertime when I'm watching my kids' sports games and it's really hot outside. I can just break it out and fan myself off. And I think it would be great at the theme parks here, but so many uses for this. Like sometimes when you're getting ready and it's really hot and humid outside and you're like, oh, I'm gonna die in the bathroom, break it out, cool yourself off. It's actually pretty powerful for this. And it also has like this little lanyard where you could hang it from your neck. So if you're like out and about and you don't want to have to hold on to it, it could be good for that. But you know, I haven't hit that stage in life where I'm having hot flashes, but I'm just saying. There you go. I've had this for a few months now. I had got it right out of the box, didn't even charge it. Still haven't had to charge it. Works awesome. $12.99. I might have to get one in black for my husband and stick it in his golf bag. I'm sure he'll appreciate that. Fun little product. Another product that I've featured on my channel before is this pink stuff, and it is a really good cleaner. It smells amazing. I use it to clean my cooktop all the time, but when I featured it on my channel for my cooktop, I had a lot of you reach out and say you use it on your shower doors, you use it like in a lot of different places. Let me know in the comment section below where you use pink stuff, but it is an awesome cleaner. I get it in a 2-pack for about $13, $14 for 2 jars just like this. Smells like, I think like grapefruit or something like that, and it's awesome. And Miss Dolly wants to play and she wants to come say hi. She brought me her little lamb chop. Say hi, Miss Dolly. Yes, kisses, huh? Say hello. Go get it. Go get it. Have you ever wanted like a double shower head, but you didn't have the plumbing for it? Well, on Amazon, you can get a double shower head and it's only $39.99, and it's actually an easy DIY. Unfortunately, I didn't get a recording of me attaching mine, but it's as simple as screwing off your old shower head and twisting on this new one, and just follow the instructions in the box. It is amazing. It is so much nicer than my regular shower head. There's a lot more water. It's got a lot more pressure. It feels amazing, I promise you. And it is such a good little upgrade for your shower. And then it's also nice because the second shower head is adjustable. So if you're cleaning your shower, it makes that easier. If you want to wash off your little fur friend, it's easier to do that as well. So a lot of added benefits about using the shower head, and for $39.99 it's a really good buy and I highly recommend it. My next product is these SureGuard mattress covers. Now I featured these on I think it was my last home hack episode. They're waterproof, they protect against dust and allergies. So if you've got asthma and allergy sufferers in your house, this is a good option. If you've got kids, pets and all of that, this is also a good option. Really great product. It's not crunchy, it's soft and nice, and you can't even tell that it's on, but it protects your mattress. And so I highly recommend this. The price is gonna vary depending on what size, so it's kind of a broad range. I will link this below, but these are highly rated on Amazon, and I endorse them too because they've worked out great for us, and I hope they work out great for you as well. It's always a good idea to put on a mattress cover and protect that huge investment of yours. Well, I hope you enjoyed these products, and I hope you found value in them or something that really sparked your interest that will make your life improved. If you enjoyed this episode, here's another one that I think you'll like as well. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button right there. It's super easy to do, and I would love it if you joined the DIY Niner family. And to all of my DIY Niners, I just want to remind you once again that you are more powerful than you know. We'll see you next time. Bye.